you cruise to Embark 1393, AB 3,100 euros net, Italian flag, European AB on board a cruise ship with no social security. Join Candina, you have collective bargaining agreement, you have Italian social security. Passenger ships between Barcelona, Valencia and Italy. These are mini cruise ships, Mediterranean trade, full Italian crew, about 150, 160 crew, total 55 passenger ships. So also we have a Baker, 2,600 Butcher, 2,600 Pastry, 2,600 Piccolo, starting steward onboard services 2,000, then after a year 2,400, after 3 years or 28 months experience 2,900 net plus social security. Then we have galley starting European galley from a cruise starting 2,000 euros, no experience required. Then after a year 2,400. Cooks, passenger ships 2,300 euros. Plumber, fitter, bulb electricians 3,200 euros. Then we go up to officers 3,300 and 3,400. 3,300 is the fourth engineer, 3,300 is the third officers. Why? Because you need to have Italian language. We have company format, CV format, crew inspector, Candina format. Also we have Italian basic language manuals, plus you also have the codice fiscale, instructions how to fill it up, because you need to have this number to be employed under Italian labor conditions. Apply urgently, like and subscribe throughout all the cruise ships. Also we need second engineers, chief officers, and it's very easy from the cruise ships. If you are European and you want to be sailing very close to your family, and then you want to promote up, have this long-term family because it's a family ship owner. Candina is also family 5 generations. So please apply urgently and be a member of our family, because these ships are Mediterranean trade and these ships are Italian social security, which the cruise you are sailing on board now, flag of convenience, they don't have any social security, pension and employment, sanitary assistance and so on. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much indeed for your time. We're looking about, say, 300 of each of the ranks I mentioned. Thank you. Bye.